Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into today's request, but before we do that, thank you all for being here. All right, let's get into it. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. So we had a very interesting request the other day. That request was number one, to wear a white shirt. So I have a white shirt on. That was by one subscriber. The second request that we are going to be fulfilling today will be, we want to make a stack around the neck that equals up to 7 millimeters using 3 or more chains. I chose a couple of chains. Let's take a look at those now. The millimeters will equal up to 7 millimeters, and it'll be a nice looking variation because each chain is going to be different. All right, so let's check it out. All right, guys, so the chains we have here today, in order of, well, two of them are going to be the same size, but as far as the order goes, we're going to be looking at this stack, which will include a 2.5 millimeter rope, a 2.5 millimeter mariner, which together that equals up to 5 millimeters, and then we have a 2 millimeter white rope. Okay, so this is the stack we're going to look at today. These were the 3 chains that I found to equal up to 7 millimeters, since that's the millimeter that this gentleman was looking for. Let's throw these on the neck, take them 12 feet back to give you guys the best overall view of what it would look like in real life if you guys were to wear this stack. All right, let's get into it. So before we took it 12 feet away, I just actually wanted to show you one more time the difference between the 2.5 rope and the 2.5 mariner, okay? Look at how much bigger the rope looks than the mariner. Meanwhile, it's the same amount of millimeters. So that's what I want to point out. And then you can see here the 2 millimeter rope compared to the 2.5 millimeter rope, just in case you guys were wondering what the difference was. Give you guys a good look at that. All right, this one's the 2, this is the 2.5. All right, we'll take it back. All right guys, so around the neck we have these staggered at 20, 21, and 22 inches. Let's take this look back 12 feet, give you guys the best we can on camera, because that's what we do on this channel, so you guys can make the best purchases possible. All 3 of these chains are going to equal up to a 21 millimeter around the neck. Remember, this subscriber did not mention whether they wanted them staggered, not staggered. So keep in mind, guys, if you have them all at the same length, they're going to look like a solid chain, which is going to give you a nice thick look like this and cause you from a distance to be able to make it appear as though you have one chain on. Okay, so if you want this look, because you want them to be combined in order to create the illusion of a fatter chain, you would have to have these all at the same length. Let's see if I could do that for you. All right, so in case this subscriber wanted to see all of these not staggered, I have all of these chains currently hanging at 22 inches in length to give the appearance of one fat chain. Let's take it back. Side neck view should look the same. The only difference should be hanging on the chest. This should look like a more substantial stack than when they were layered. It all depends on the look that you guys want to go for. Thank you guys for your time. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for the amazing requests. Keep them coming. Catch you guys at the next one.